Hey, what's up, guys? I just wanted to do a really quick video for you to let you know about this 2-pack of trees here. I wasn't sure exactly how it was going to come packaged, so I just wanted to show you what to expect so you know what's happening. So let me give you a quick look inside the box. You can see it like not doesn't come assembled or anything like that. You have pack of leaves here. One stand and base that the leaves attach to. And then here's the second one that the leaves are all attached to. I guess let me try to open this up real quick so I can give you a better look. Grab out my knife. So the bottom of it has this bubble wrap on it. It's taped up really well. So I'm trying to open it up and be careful not to cut anything or break anything while I'm showing you. All right, so here's the base or the actual pot. You can see I just opened it up. Oops. And apparently it will pull out if you pull it hard enough. So that's what's inside of there. It's just kind of a block of foam that stabs down into there. So if you want to take it out, just pull it really hard. Okay, and there's the full thing, so you can see what it actually looks like unboxed. So I'll do a separate one, like showing putting the leaves and stuff on it. But there's that, and then the other pack of leaves, and that's it. So that's everything that comes in the box. 2 of these, 2 packs of leaves.